by covenant to a force that guarantees blessing. And that is why, whether the devil likes it or not, your generation shall be blessed.
There's something unique inside of you, and wherever you go, just know that God did not create a nonsense in you.
The will of God cannot take you where the grace of God cannot sustain you.
This season that we have entered, as we prepare for what is about to come, there are graces, there are anointings that God will be releasing into the earth again. I'm talking of radical tonal anointings.
You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to...
When you see me dance, I dance like a winner.